Hey everyone, so I just made this little video as a little introduction because I'm conscious the week might be different for some of you this week because you're going to have your normal online lessons, so obviously writing your persuasive speeches, and that is obviously still really important because we're going to use what the speech you write for your non-examined assessment, basically your coursework. But also it's really good practice for your English language paper too. And it is essential this work is completed. So the persuasive speech work, which I've put on Show My Homework and which is on the videos here, are really important for you to do at home and to send as your work. But some of you will also be coming into college for some in-school lessons, which is really exciting. So you will be in potentially for 4 1-hour lessons. So you'll come in once a week for 4 weeks. And in that time, we're not going to do the speeches. You obviously can ask a teacher for advice or information, but it's good if you could just keep that online and email your teachers for help with that. Because in the school, we're going to be doing the poems for the English literature. So we're going to do a poem a week in this order. London, Ozymandias, The Prelude, Storm on the Island. So just to keep it separate, your online lessons will still be the speeches, so I need you to work on them at home at least 3 hours across the week, and then you'll have the extra 1 hour in school time to learn the poems. Now, for those of you who aren't coming into college, don't worry, I will put on a live lesson to catch you up, and we'll sort that out later, that there'll be a video or a live lesson potentially for you to catch up later. For those of you who are coming into school, if you can have your anthology at home and you can bring it in with you, that would be super. And your English book, if you have that at home, and a pen. Now you're all going to have your own little space to sit at, your own desk and your own area. So nobody will touch anything that you bring in from home. So there won't be that risk of cross-contamination, or if anybody has got any germs, there's no issues there. Because you'll be able to keep it in your own little area, take it out of your bag, put it on your desk and put it away again. It will just make life easier for you if you've got your own materials. Thanks, guys. Sorry, just to mention, if you don't have these things, if your anthology is in your English room, your English book you left in college, we will provide you what you need. So you don't need to bring anything. We will give you a copy of the poem, we'll give you paper, you need to bring your own pen. So don't panic if you haven't got these things, just if you do, you could bring them in with you. Thank you.